Hey there! Today we'll tell you how to memorize Blackjack basic strategy fast, so your decisions become automatic at the table. Do you know what to do with a soft 18? If you're hesitating, you're about to learn why that split-second delay is costing you money at the Blackjack table. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Learning basic strategy is the key to winning Blackjack, but most players struggle to memorize it. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get these plays locked in your memory so they become automatic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break down that intimidating strategy chart using proven memory techniques that actually work. Let's dive in. The 21 phrase method. Listen up. Before you even think about card counting or fancy deviations, you gotta have basic strategy down pat. We're talking muscle memory here, like riding a bike or knowing your own phone number. Basic strategy can cut the house edge down to just 0.5%. That's like getting the daily special at half price. But here's the kicker. You gotta know it cold. No hesitation, no ums or ahs. Here's the secret the pros use. You can memorize the entire basic strategy chart using just simple phrases. Let's start with splits. This is actually the easiest section. Always split aces and eights. Never split 10s and 5s. Split 2s, 3s, and 7s against 2 through 7. Split 4s against 5 and 6. Split 6s against 2 through 6. Split 9s against 2 through 9 except 7. Practice saying that out loud 10 times right now. Seriously, pause the video and do it. That's the entire split section memorized in under a minute. Now, here's the game changer. Learn to recite each row of the strategy chart like you're reading a sentence. This way, when you get dealt any hands, you can instantly recall the entire row. Take soft 18. Instead of thinking, what do I do? You'll automatically think, soft 18 doubles against 2 through 6, stands against 7 and 8, hits against 9, 10, and ace. For hard totals, try this rhythm. Hard 17 and above always stands. Hard 13 through 16 stand against 2 through 6, hit against 7 through ace. Hard 12 stands against 4 through 6, hits against everything else. The key is repetition until it becomes muscle memory. Here's where flashcards become your secret weapon, but you gotta do them right. First things first, grab our free basic strategy card that we're giving you with this video. You'll need this as your reference guide. Now, don't make flashcards for every single hand on the chart. That's overkill. Focus on the tricky hands, the ones that are easy to confuse or right on the border between different decisions. Looking at your basic strategy card, make flashcards for hands like pair of 6s versus dealer 7, hit, don't split. Soft 18 versus dealer 9, hit, don't stand. Hard 12 versus dealer 2, hit, don't stand. These are the hands that trip up most players because they're right next to different decisions on the chart. Pro tip, use your strategy card to find these border hands. Look for spots where one dealer card means one decision, but the next dealer card means something completely different. Use different card combinations for the same total. Don't just write 16 versus 10. Make cards with 10 and 6, 9 and 7, even 2 8s, so you recognize the total quickly with any combination you might see at the table. And here's the crucial part, time yourself. Start with 10 seconds per card using your strategy card to check. Then work down to 3 seconds without looking. That's casino speed. Time to put your skills to the test. I'm gonna show you 5 hands with a 3-second timer. This is real casino pressure. Let's see how you do. Hand 1, your cards. Ace, 6, soft 17. Dealer shows 5. What's your play? 3, 2, 1. Answer. Double down. Soft 17 doubles against 3 through 6. Otherwise, hits. Against that weak 5, you want to get more money on the table. Hand 2. Your cards. 9, 3, hard 12. Dealer shows 2. What's your play? 3, 2, 1. Hit. Hard 12 only stands against 4 through 6. That 2 looks weak, but it's not weak enough. You gotta improve this hand. Hand 3. Your cards. 6, 6. Pair of 6s. Dealer shows 7. 3, 2, 1. Answer. Hit. Don't split. 6s only split against 2 through 6. Treat this like a hard 12 and take a card. Hand 4. Your cards. Ace, 7. Soft 18. Dealer shows 10. 3, 2, 1. Hit. This is the hand that trips up most players. Soft 18 versus 9, 10, or ace? Make sure you improve this one. Hand 5. Your cards. 5, 6. Hard 11. Dealer shows ace. What's your play? 3, 2, 1. Hit. Hard 11 doubles against everything except ace. Against that ace, just take one card and hope for the best. How'd you do? If you got 4 or 5 right under pressure, you're ready for the tables. Don't try to learn the whole chart at once. That's like trying to eat a 5-course meal in one bite. Start with splits, then soft hands, then hard totals. Master one section before moving to the next. And here's a big one. Don't just memorize. Understand the logic. Know that you split 8s because 16 is a terrible hand. But 2 hands starting with 8 give you a fighting chance. Most importantly, perfect practice makes perfect. Better to get it right slowly than wrong quickly. There you have it. The fastest ways to memorize basic strategy, using proven techniques that actually work. Remember, basic strategy is your foundation. You can't build a winning game without it. Ready to take your game to the next level? Download our free basic strategy cards using the link below. It's the same chart the pros use, and it's yours free. If this helped your game, hit that like button and subscribe for more winning strategies. See you at the tables.